In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust scene timing in Lumen5. Getting the timing of each scene just right is one of the simplest ways to improve the flow of your video. It determines how long an image, clip, or text stays on screen, and it directly affects readability, pacing, and how polished your final edit feels. Start by logging into Lumen5. Once you're in your workspace, open your video in the editor so you can make changes. You'll see your project laid out as a sequence of scenes. Click the specific scene you want to edit. Selecting it tells the editor exactly which moment in your story you're focusing on. With that scene selected, look to the right side of the editor. This is where Lumen5 places the options to adjust duration. You'll notice a time value for the scene and simple controls to change it. The plus sign increases the length and the minus sign decreases it. Use the plus and minus sign to fine-tune how long the scene stays on screen. Small nudges are great for dialing in a natural pace, especially when you're making on-screen text comfortable to read. If your text is dense, add a little more time. If it's a quick visual beat with just a few words, trim the duration so the video keeps its momentum. A helpful guideline is to let the content lead. Many scenes fall somewhere between 2 and 6 seconds, but there isn't a single right answer. Longer subheads or multi-line captions benefit from extra time. Short logo moments or fast motion visuals can be snappier. Visual movement can also buy you a little speed because motion draws the eye, but always make sure viewers can absorb the message without rushing. As you change the duration, pay attention to how the scene feels within the sequence. Consistency matters. Big jumps from very short to very long scenes can be jarring. Aim for a rhythm that matches your content, adjusting only as much as the message needs. If you notice a scene feels cramped, add a touch more time. If there's a lull after the point is made, shave a little off. Remember that duration affects only the scene you've selected, so repeat this process for any other scenes that need refinement. Take a moment to compare neighboring scenes and keep their timing cohesive. When the lengths support the story, your entire video becomes more engaging and easier to follow. And that's it. By logging in, opening your project in the editor, selecting the right scene, finding the duration controls on the right, and using the plus and minus sign, you can quickly craft pacing that fits your message.